And the light never turns green.
A+ on the lighting, the vlogging set.
Situation report when you can, guys. We need some more communication here. They're now westbound. Now westbound. Take this guy out now. Break. Okay, you got it. Stay with him.
Make sure, let me just keep doing this to make sure there's nothing on this side. Alright, it's getting loose. It's getting loose, I can feel it. Alright, it's definitely loose. Alright, y'all ready? I'm ready, I want no fucking cable, dude.
Trying to make sure it's safe before I let my hand go.
Just watch, make sure that, man, hit the motor. You gotta stay there. Alright.
It's good though.
Alright guys, so that right there's a wrap for today. We did get the motor pulled out of Chris's bike, so everything now, next step is pretty much to get all the forward controls off, get everything stripped off the bike, get the wheels off, get it all prepped and ready for paint. I'm not sure who we're gonna have doing that yet. I don't know if that's something that we're gonna give out to somebody to do, or whether we're just gonna try to go ahead and do it in shop. It might be a little experience to try to see maybe what we can do, but you know, just to put that out there, we aren't professional painters. I mean, I can spray paint some stuff, but don't really know about really professionally painting a bike. So pretty much on this channel, we're trying to focus on motorcycles, classic cars, project bikes, anything that has a motor and wheels on it. If you got any suggestions, what we should buy, what we should do. I know we are supposed to be getting 1 or 2 project bikes, hopefully in the next month. They're based up in Massanutten. So, you know, so of course we'll do a little video on the trip up there, picking the bikes up, whatnot. So if you got any suggestions, want to leave a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. See y'all later.